In the world of film sentiment, we're seeing a notable spike, a sentiment score of 0.63 coupled with a momentum of 0.75 over the past 24 hours. This is significantly above our historical baseline, suggesting that something in the film landscape is igniting strong positive reactions right now. With 20 semantic clusters indicating varied themes, our API returns nuanced insights into public sentiment, allowing you to see not just how people feel, but also why. Imagine using this to optimize your film marketing strategy, targeting specific audience segments with tailored messaging based on real-time sentiment trends. You can leverage this data to fine-tune your campaigns and connect with your audience more effectively. To dive deeper into how to implement this, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.